diversity pool based on.
Shiv, I hope you can hear me now clearly, right?
Yeah, tell me.
What I was asking you is, so we have covered only female candidates under diversity source, diversity systems in our section.
No, for India, we are covering only on based on a female candidates, but otherwise, in case if you have a ask from your hiring manager to cover the additional LGBTQ, then you might have to come up with a list of what are the LGBTQ terms you are going to consider to prepare on the diversity part, and then you'll have to prepare accordingly. So here we're just trying to help how we can approach this market intel report problem.
Got it. And not like, I'm not asking that is related to this, but as a whole, so in our sessions, when it comes to diversity searches, especially we have covered female.
Only female,
like
yeah.
How we can penetrate. So, are there any ways to cover LGBT and as well as persons with disabilities?
LGBT, I've never done it actually. So when I was in US hiring, that time it was not a great ask or anything during 2011 or 12. So honestly, not much exposure to that area.
What about persons with disabilities?
Even for that also not much of, honestly, like not even works at least a single time on the LGBTQ or the.
Okay, no issues. Because
I might
most
try to
of
get
the company,
someone. I have people in that area. I might try to get someone.
Yeah. Because I have seen a couple of companies like JP Morgan and other companies, they have specific rule like we have to hire definitely this portion, like this percentage of people who comes from the
We'll get
background.
them. We have some people like that.
Yeah. Thank you, Shiv. That's just a general question. Yeah, sorry to interrupt.
So here now we're trying to, so now we give an overall pool. Now we're just trying to see, okay, diversity pool based on additional following search. Okay, women or women's or girl or girls. So
we can have female. Female also we can add.
Yeah. Women, women's, girl, girls, mahila, balike. What else we have? Women, women's, girls, girls, mahila, balike, male. Okay, let's take an example, only this much. We have a huge list of keywords for the diversity, but otherwise, just in interest of time, just use this much. So this we're adding in school. Women or girl or girls or mahila or balika or female. Okay, 6,000. So overall, what we got is somewhere around 5,52,000, which is matching this particular search. This is kind of an overall pool. And now in the diversity pool, what is the result? 6,000. Just have a one quick glance if it is everything is a diversity. Go on to directly 100th page. All the diversity in between. Yeah, it's 100% diversity, I would say. You are and Java out. So let's say overall, given the search, these are the keywords like Java or Python or Go or Golang or C++, along with the title software and engineer or developer or programmer or SDE staff engineer or technical staff or scientist or tech lead, and the location India. We had overall pool of 5,52,000 based on the free LinkedIn version. And again, based on my degree of connections. And then we have a additional pool of diversity pool based on the additional following search. So this is the search additional what we have added. So this gives us somewhere 6,000.
Ashif, where are you putting the diversity search?
Okay, in a free version, what we do is like we just go here and under the school, whatever women, so it captures the list of results in the school which they would have mentioned: women's engineering college, girls high school, college for women, or Mahila Vidyalaya, Balika Mandir, something like that.
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so additional words also we can use. We can use a lot of various languages, like Mahila or Balika is basically from Maharashtra and I guess West Bengal. Balika, Balike and all also we can add. So like that. But it just in a interest of time, I'm just taking a short example. So those you add in schools, and then once this is show results, you have this one. So you have all diversity ones.
Thank you.
So we have all software engineers, most prominent job titles. Even in the last page also, if you're going software developer, 1 or 2 test, few test engineers, few trainee, but this is overall we are taking overall strength, overall pool available. So I would say if we go on without this search, then overall pool looked like 5,52,000. Then additionally, diversity pool based on the additional following search, we have somewhere 6,000. So what it could be 6,000. So I would say 1.08%. If you give in a LinkedIn recruiter, the numbers would be completely different. Just to understand the format, we are running on a free version of a LinkedIn. All right, so given these keywords, given this title, given this location, overall pool, then diversity pool, then this is what the percentage of diversity pool looks like. Now let's go ahead and try to see some of the breakups. So first we got the overall very high level report saying that we say that hiring manager, okay, fine, when we overall search for the very high level by using this keyword, this title and this location, this is what the overall pool looked like, and this is what the diversity pool looked like. Now breakup of this particular diversity pool. All right. So either a diversity pool breakup or either a overall pool breakup. So let's say one more we'll prepare list of top 10 list of top 10 product companies, list of top 10 telecom or semiconductor or companies. List of top 10 this thing, what we say, services,
e-commerce company, I should e-commerce or fintech companies.
Let's say we just go for list of let's say let's go for list of first top 10 product companies. Here we'll give overall pool. Here we'll give and now we just came here. We got these searches, all filters. So here additionally, okay, we got Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, HCL. So this is again only in the diversity. Let's remove diversity for now. And clear this as well. File like 52. All filters. We covered in our in past what are the top number of companies. It would come here on the top. Let's say in this file like 52, if we select Amazon, Google, Walmart, Microsoft, Flipkart, let's take first Amazon. We have 6,100. Let's take now this ordering also will happen from top to bottom. The majority of the people are working at Amazon, so that's reason it's coming like that. Let's say Microsoft. So 5,600. Google 1,900. Capgemini 9,600. Accenture 12,000. We'll just take those orderings. Cancel. Just we'll take this. If we use LinkedIn Recruiter, we could definitely add a lot more other companies, but let's see. So I'll say Amazon, how many? First, I would see the list of Amazon results, that is 6,100. Come here, overall pool, the top 10 product companies, overall pool and diversity pool. Name of the company.
ये कहाँ चल रहा है कहाँ गए क्या
So this format we need to see. Let's say if I just give Amazon here, Google here, so Flipkart. Okay, so overall pool we would give here. Name of company. Now we go one by one. Let's say Amazon, show results. Overall 6,100 who are matching these above search. And again, we're coming back. So a lot of search again, again and again, we might have to run the same searches multiple times. All filters. Again, we come here, go to school, show results. Okay, 55. And that would be 55. So 0. Maybe 1%. Now let's go for additionally all filters. Instead of Amazon, we had 5 companies appearing here. We'll just type Google. Amazon also, we would have used all Amazon Web Services and all everything. But that's why. Google Ads, Flutter.
Shiv, one question.
Mhm.
Is there any way we can put only the product development companies?
We're keeping that, right?
Where exactly is that put?
In a current company, just go to advanced search and in current company, you'll be able to see.
Oh, okay.
So there are a number of companies acquired by Google. So it's okay. We'll just go in the interest of time. We would say, okay, 14 results of diversity. Then again, remove this. And overall 2000. Google and so this was 14 and overall it was 2000. So 7. Let's go for Microsoft. Good way to track small tech startups which got acquired. And definitely when one company gets acquired, there might be a fair chances of some leadership might be looking out. Just an FYI. So this is overall Microsoft are acquired by 5,600. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 86. So this is just the format of it I'm telling. Otherwise, if you do it in the LinkedIn recruiter, you might get pretty interesting numbers. So again, now change it to Walmart. $64 diversity. Overall 3,100. $1,400 overall. $25. Okay, now the breakup of top 10 product company looks like this. So I would say yeah. So this same thing again we'll repeat for service companies. So again, we just go here and do we try to see, okay, fine. Now what are the number? Are it okay, 6,100? So this might come on a second, then this might go on a third, then this might go on a fourth, and this might come on a fifth. So ordering, we'll see in that way. So now let's say additionally, we need some more companies to this. Let's see if we can get them as well. In Recruiter, you can see, you can just go to the search insights and you'll be able to see the top 10 companies and current companies and past companies. But without using Recruiter, what is the maximum output we can take it from the free version of LinkedIn? We're just trying to see. Okay. So now this is, okay, in this product company only we'll do. Okay, so we have a title, we have a diversity. Now let's say we just remove this. Okay, so same 52,000. Now we would say go for all filters. Okay, within in India, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Okay. Now let's see additional breakup of location. Now within Amazon, if we need to give a location breakup, let's say top 5 companies within Amazon. So what I would do, take this, keep it here, make this Amazon. location and available pool. Okay, so one. So overall, $6,400. So this is the reason why it takes for any market intelligence report so much of time. Because each search has to be run number of times and take a data, collecting the data. So in this interesting, definitely we are running a searches, which is something interesting, but a lot of copy paste is definitely required. If someone who doesn't enjoy copy paste and need a lot of patience also at the same time, I would say, but better the patience, better the attention, the better the report would be. Okay, now coming here, I would remove keyword, show result only from the Amazon, all filters. Okay, India, Greater Seattle, additional locations. So location, I would say Karnataka completely. So what, 6,400 in Karnataka only? Okay, this is India now. So overall pool for India. So now overall pool based on various locations. All right, so let's say Karnataka. Then NCR. NCR will take all Delhi locations. Hyderabad, Pune, and let's say Chennai. So this is overall pool based on various location. If we need a diversity, again, we need to add up this one and add the diversity data over there. So we know in which location there is a more number of diversity available in this company, and the breakup of, again, we can go behind that diversity. So let's say Karnataka, NCR, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So instead of Pune, we might need Mumbai also. Let's say Maharashtra, because most of the people are working from home nowadays, so they might have changed their location from Bangalore to somewhere their native places. So we'll just go like this instead of Chennai. And Chennai also people might write in a different ways. We'll just directly go with the Karnataka. This okay. So overall pool available in Karnataka. 1900. So from 6,400, 1900. So what would be the percentage? Majority of pool. Percentage of available pool. Available percentage of overall pool available, or breakup of percentage breakup percentage breakup of available overall available pool in India these locations. This you might prefer to keep it in the different different cell or a column, but otherwise you can keep it here also. All right, so 1900 in Karnataka percentage breakup of, so this would be this equal to 1900 divided by this percentage. Okay, so 29% here. Let's see in NCR now. From Karnataka, we shift to NCR. No NCR. Noida or Uttar Pradesh. Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Delhi. Okay. Noida, Uttar Pradesh. What all locations comes under the NCR? Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Gurugram, Haryana. Let's take complete Haryana. So that is 1300. AP Telangana. $1,100. Maharashtra. $351. So that's the overall pool, available breakup, list of top 10 product company, and then again their breakup completely. So like that, if I have to do for again Flipkart, again repeat the same. So I would again copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it here. Remove all this. Take all these music locations, keep it here.